Hey, back at the rescue house, we're starting the new hearth block, or concrete block, hearth for the fireplace. Now, if you'll remember, the old hearth was wood, and I had a fit because wood burns. Why would you put a wood hearth in front of your fireplace? Oh, you can leave that on, that's fine. It's good, I like it. Musica. So, we're starting to put in our concrete block now. And we know this won't burn. So we're going to make this hearth 18 inches out from the wall, and we're going to go the same length as the old hearth because we like the way it was set. We just didn't like what they built it out of. When we're finished with this, we'll be able now to attach the granite or marble, whatever they choose for the finish. Actually, I think the tile, floor tile is going to go up the face of this, and then we'll have a granite or marble for the top. But this will end up being 18 inches, just about 18 by 18 roughly. It'll go up to this cut line in the sheetrock, and that'll be the height of it, and then it'll be approximately 18 inches deep, and that'll give them plenty of room to sit comfortably on it, which is really what they wanted. When you put moisture on the floor, it helps the concrete absorb. First of all, he's cleaning it, but secondly, a good mason always will put moisture down first. It helps that mastic that he's putting on there actually soak down into the concrete. When the moisture dries out of the concrete, it draws the moisture out of the thin set, which causes it to adhere to all of the porous part of the concrete. It just makes everything stick right. A lot of what we're seeing these days is guys that don't know that. This is obviously a really talented mason. He knows what he's doing. We're tearing out a bathroom right now that the tile's literally popping off the floor, and I knew immediately when I saw it that the guy didn't add any moisture to the back of his tile. It didn't absorb any of the mastic to allow it to stick. So tell us why you're putting the mastic on and then the mortar. Omar, how come you're putting the white mastic on and then the mortar? ¿Por qué the mastic and then the mortar? ¿Por qué?
It's better.
It just sticks better.
Yes.
Tell me again. It just sticks better?
Yes.
Okay.
It's better.
Good. Pardon my awful Spanish. I don't speak it well, but sometimes they get the idea.